I think if you've got a vehicle, it's very important to have a dash cam. I remember when I moved into my new home and my neighbours, they're a bit riff-raffy, aren't they? They keyed my car. Do you know, for whatever reason, I haven't done nothing to them. Anyway, this is how the universe works. So I've got a dash cam. It's by AZDOME. Very amazing. I'm going to show it, yeah. And it's just brilliant. You guys need to have one. It's very, very important to have a dash cam. Even on the M-way, there's like an accident and everything. I wish, because I went out to help somebody, I wish I had the dash cam footage, because the federals, they asked me if I have any footage, and I actually did it. And you know when you just feel so bad? Anyway, I'm waffling now. Let me show it to you. So here it is. It comes in this lovely box, you know. And here's the manual that I'm going to have a read through, and then I'm going to set it up. Look, it's so cool to put together as well. Look, magnetic. Ooh. So it's all hooked up now, and as you can see, I'm going to set the date and time. Get down, guys, but look at the quality, catching everyone in 4K. So as you can see, here's the dash, baby. Right, guys, so if you want one, I'm going to leave the details in the caption, but get one, it's needed. Let's go.